An architecture for services and service construction. The architecture of the current internet really recognizes only two sorts of devices: the devices that make up the internet itself, the routers that forward packets, and everything else, including all devices attached to the edges of the network, between and among which the internet packets are transported. The dominant examples of edge devices now are the PCs that belong to the users and the servers that provide content to users. In the internet architecture, there is no consideration of what the servers do, what patterns of communication connect them, nor of how applications actually exploit servers to build up their services. Most applications today display a somewhat complex structure of servers as services to implement their functions. Content may be duplicated and pre-positioned on servers near the ultimate recipients to improve performance and resilience. Communication among end nodes is often relayed through intermediate servers to realize such functions as mutual assurance of identity, selective hiding of certain information, logging and archiving of communication, or insertion of advertising. Some servers, such as email servers, hold information such as emails for recipients until they choose to connect to the network to retrieve it. This allows nodes to communicate even if they are not simultaneously connected and active. The emergence and recognition of systems that explicitly recognize servers and services may signal a move of processing and control from the edge of the network, the computers of the end users, towards the center, locations operated by providers. Providers might include those who supply the basic packet carriage of the internet, as well as specialty providers of specific application services. Both types of players may become important parts of the internet experience of tomorrow. Some proposals in this general category are motivated by the observation that the network architecture for tomorrow needs to make explicit account for the various stakeholders that make up the system. Customers, service providers, application developers, governments, and so on have concerns and objectives. The current narrow waist of the internet works fine as a way to create a useful data plane, but does not allow these various actors to establish policy. It masks what is going on inside the network and does not provide the right set of management tools. This reality requires that we refactor the basic functions of the network.